Hello sir, this is my story about constructivism, transfer of learning, and situated learning. I'm going into first constructivism. Critical thinking can be defined as pursuing an understanding through different areas of searching or experimenting, basically trying to figure out or maybe trying to see a new point of view by asking questions that weren't asked before, maybe questions that you haven't asked before, maybe searching for more information on it and really just expanding on that to try to really figure out what is being taught. Problem solving, basically pretty simple, to find an understanding to a statement or a question. Collaboration, of course, working together to try to come up with a better understanding of an issue, maybe sharing ideas or answering each other's questions. Next is communication, the skill to get across a topic or a point. Basically, it can be verbal, it can be through pictures, videos, and of the sort. Meaningful content, meaningful context. It's basically critical information. This information will be very, very important. It basically gets to the meat and potatoes of what is being done, as well as the meat and potatoes of what is being taught. Prior knowledge is using your knowledge from experience, using your knowledge from what you've studied in the past, maybe from what you've learned in the past, and applying it to what you're learning now. Near transfer is based students learning information in one area to use in another, such as learning how to write a paper and in a writing class, and using those skills to write a paper for your history class. And far transfer. Far transfer is basically applying what you learned to a totally different concept. Like you're trying to apply mathematics to science. Maybe you're trying to say, like, okay, this mathematical concept was discovered during this historical time. Explicit teaching is basically teaching students how to apply what they learn in different areas. That's a very important skill that teachers should know how to do. It's like how to teaching them how to use their skills for other classes or for different parts of their lives. Analogies and metaphors is basically they take what students know and apply into situations, such as using like or as, or using different sorts of sayings. Generalizing is basically a broader principle of different areas. Cooperative education. Cooperative education is combining classroom education with work experience, real world, and so such as you're learning on the job as well. Yeah, you're learning through your internship, you're learning through your classroom time. Real world problems, basically a student is situated in a learning experience, such as they are learning through their situations, they are learning through their issues, and just personal time, such as communication with others, or maybe through the relationships or other things of the sort. Knowledge is acquired situationally. This is only gained during certain situations and can only transfer to similar situations, such as if you're learning through if you're giving a speech. If you're giving a speech, or maybe you're having a debate and you're just talking through that, and in that situation you may realize that it may not be, it's a very strong argument. You learn from that, and then those skills you can basically really only apply in similar situations, such as either debating or speech. Learning is a result of a social process. Basically, you learn through social interactions, you learn through different social gatherings and whatnot. Facilitator of learning is basically the person that guides discussion. The teacher is the guides the class, the learning activities, the communications, the different activities that can be done for students so they can start learning. The facilitator doesn't really speak much. It just gives the instructions and guides and let the students basically take over. Critical thinking is, like, again, a continuous state of asking questions and viewing different angles to answer a question. And that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.